Hello guys, welcome back to You Can Code. Wish you all a happy new year. Have a great year. So we wish 2021 will be good to us. Okay, it's it's like a programming art. Today we are going to see how to create a programming art with Python. Okay, for that we need a module like import pivot kit. Okay, it's like a how can I say? So I want to describe our programming art. Our programming art is like we can take an image or something. It's like take a snap of some image and we can convert it into an art of letters or symbols. Okay, using a program. So it is our programming art. Okay, so we can shortly as P art. So to create our pivot we need a model like a pivot kit. If you want to install your pivot kit to your Python, just use pip install pivot kit. So this command will install pivot kit in your if you execute this command in your command prompt, it will install pivot kit in your system. Just here you can execute, copy this command, and you can execute here. I already have installed pivot kit, so I don't want to install it. So requirement is already satisfied here. So once you install pivot kit, it's very easy. So just 2-3 lines of code. So we can create an variable something like image. So this is our input image. We can give any image as an input to this. So I name it as Ukesh dot jpeg. I have an image, or we can use this image. You can see this image is test.png. So test.png. Okay, so next line of code is import pivot kit dot image. Okay, use an underscore to underscore ASCII. So it's like our symbols ASCII hot, just simple. And we need to pass two parameters to this method. So our first parameter is our input image, and second parameter is our format of an output and a name. So I can give it as 2021. You can see, and I'm typing 2020 dot txt. Okay, so just that's it. Just you need to import, and you have to pass uh, your image and your output file format and name to the image to ASCII art method, okay, function in the pivot kit. That's it. You can save and run it. So you can see this 2021 is our image. I think you can see the name. So you can see test.png is the name of this 2021 image. Okay, so we have given test.png already. This is our input, and we are expecting an output like 2021. Okay, so we have said it. We can run it now. It's running now. Now it's complete, I think so. So yeah, here you can see the name 2021. The name of 2021. We can see a art of 2021. It's very simple. You can create our you can upload your own image and you can get it. If you want to get it as clear art. So you need to upload a png. It's not like png. You need to upload a image which doesn't have a background. Okay, it's like a plain background. If your image having a plain background, you will get a nice art using this programming art. So it's very simple, 2 lines of code. Just import pivot kit. You can install pivot kit using the above command, and you need to pass your image and output format and or output name to the image to ASCII art method. That's it. It's very simple. So again, wish you a happy new year to all. Have a great year. Subscribe to this channel if you want more videos like this. Like, share, and subscribe, and share this channel to your friends if you like this video. Thank you, guys. Enjoy this year.